Model Hailey Bieber gives fans who love the purple one a real quality treat to unwrap. Hailey, 25, pictured wearing purple nightwear from Victoria's Secret, is a founding member of the lingerie brand's Versus Collective, an effort by the company to distance itself from its often criticized lack of diversity. She said, "I look forward to helping create positive change." Hailey is married to pop star Justin, 27, and the pair were seen together on a trip to London just before Christmas. Justin partied in Tate nightclub, visited the Royal Opera House for a wine and enjoyed a stroll around the West End with a coffee. The couple, who married in 2018, even stopped off for a snog in a phone box.